Hey, it's Matt Calling here, and I'm going to start to send you guys some 1 minute videos. And really, these are just designed. I'm going to send them on a regular basis to you, designed to help you start your day with a bit of momentum. Today is Monday, so I thought, what a good day to do this. And today, what I want to talk to you about is really motivation. Motivation when you don't feel like doing anything. And one of the things that I like to do is I really like to kind of get leverage on myself. Now, how you get leverage is sometimes by stacking, a process called stacking. And the process called stacking is where you kind of like stack, the things that you don't want. Sometimes you've got to use an away from to get you moving. And so what I do is I kind of go big picture. So like, imagine this, you're lying in your bed in the morning and you don't really feel like doing anything, and maybe you've had a big weekend or whatever it is, you're tired. Well, how do you actually get yourself moving? And I often use the metaphor of like a steamroller, and it's hard to get a steamroller moving, but once you get it moving, you can smash through everything. And so the process I do is called stacking. And that's where I go big picture. I'm like, okay, if I don't get moving, cause versus effect, what is this behavior compounding to long term? And I go big picture and I just keep stacking. And then I get leverage on myself, and then as I can feel that, I then like, okay, what can I do right now? And then I attack it, I move, I do it quickly. The key is speed, everybody. So I hope this helps you on a Monday morning. Remember, the key is to get out there and execute and create a 10 out of 10 day. I hope this helps. Take care.